is for apple, so juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces to our feet. C is for cat with a purr and a meow. D is for dog who barks so loud now. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for giraffe with a neck so tall. H is for hat that's big or small. I is for igloo, so cold and white. J is for jelly, a wobbly sight. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar high. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, with eggs and leaves. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, a funny sight. Q is for queen, with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow, with colors spread. S is for sun, shining bright every day. T is for train that chugs away. U is for umbrella, for rainy weather. V is for violin with strings together. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it soon with glee. Y is for yacht, sailing across the bay. Z is for zebra, striped black and gray.